Here we have a website called Soovle, SOOVLE.com, and it's going to pull keyword suggestions from all of these different sites you see here. So if we stick with our bicycle example, as you can see, it's automatically pulling up things. I didn't even click on Soovle. And it's going to give you great ideas for things that you might write articles on, pages that you could optimize a little bit better. Maybe use words that you didn't think of before, and give you ideas for new categories. So if you like a keyword and you want to save it, you just click on it and then drag it to the top, the little book, and you'll see it's up there. And then you can send that information, you can print it, you can email it, right? Or you could just take all of the keywords on the page by clicking the little download button, and it's going to save them as a CSV. So you can go ahead and create an Excel spreadsheet where you're starting to collect keyword possibilities for your website, ideas for posts, things you can elaborate on. And you can organize all this a little bit later. Some of the stuff isn't going to be relevant, but if they're giving you quite a few ideas here, maybe copy all of them and then sort it out a little bit later. This is ubersuggest.org, and the website looks kind of whack, but for example, if you type in a keyword and then you do the CAPTCHA, it's going to add each letter of the alphabet on to the end of the word. So it's going to come up with possibilities based on that word plus other words that begin with each letter of the alphabet. So you'll see bikes plus A, bikes plus nothing, bikes plus B, bikes plus C, and so on. So bikes at Walmart, bikes at Target, bikes belong, bike brands, right? So you get all these possibilities that you might not have thought of just by adding the letters of the alphabet. So if you want, you can select all of the keywords that they come up with, or you can just do one at a time. So if you like it, you click the plus sign and it puts it over on the right. Or if you want all of them, you click select all keywords, and then every single one is on the right. And then you just click get, and then you get a little box here, and you can copy all of these, and you could paste them into your Excel spreadsheet. Right now we're just getting ideas, so don't worry about the relevancy or whether some of them are going to get deleted a little bit later. Just copy them all in there. And the last one I want to show you is called keywordtool.io. And you just type in whatever keyword you're looking for suggestions for. And you can choose Google, Bing, Yahoo, YouTube, the App Store. And then you can choose your language. And what this does is it's kind of like Ubersuggest, except it also adds a letter to the beginning of the word. So you get A plus bicycle, bicycle plus A, B plus bicycle, bicycle plus B. So it gives you even more combinations. And it also gives you the numbers. So 1 bicycle, 2 bicycle, 3 bicycle, bicycle 3, etc. So I did bicycle helmet in this search, and I got 500 some results. So if you click copy all, you can take all of them, or you can just do one at a time if you think some of them aren't very relevant. If we just did copy all, right, we'd have them now on our clipboard, and all you'd have to do is go into an Excel spreadsheet or Microsoft Notepad, whatever you want, and paste them in there. So now you have even more suggestions. Soovle, Ubersuggest, and keywordtool.io. Great sites for finding lots of combinations of words.